Just hoping to motivate you guys and inspire you to... Hello friends! In today's video I am going to show you how to make a nice little bit of extra money using your knitting machine. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's jump into the intro of the video here. Hello yarn friends! Welcome into my channel. My name's Morgan with Dream9 Design. If you are new here, thanks for coming in. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. I don't know if you guys have watched my last couple videos, but in this tote right here, this very large tote, I have 100 beanies in here. Now, it took me about 6 days to completely finish this. I'll say 7 because I had to wait for the tags to show up and to attach them all. So I have a little company logo on here, and it's just a basic beanie. And I did 100 of them. So here they all are. All the colors are, you know, kind of hidden, but I will pull a few out to show you guys. I have my invoice written up, and I'm about to go drive this over to the business that I made these for. And then I have one more behind it, so I'm very excited. But I did do green, we did black, purple, we did purple. But those are the colors that I did. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go drop this off and we can chit chat a little bit more about how I market my beanies, how I've been able to make $2,000 in 1 month with my knitting machine, which I think is something really awesome. And I'm not saying any of this to brag. I'm just hoping to motivate you guys and inspire you. Reach out and, you know, kind of think outside the box when it comes to selling your art, your crochet, your knit, your knitting machine crafts, or anything, any kind of art or anything that you like to do. I'm just kind of thinking outside the box on ways to make income doing what you love and trying to boost it into more than just a part-time or a side income. So that's what we'll kind of be talking about in today's video. I am now back. I have my money from my knitting machine beanies. Now again, this video is in no means a way to brag. I really want to help you guys learn how to kind of market yourself and be able to make some extra side money. So I do have my knitting machine. If you have one, you do know that it takes a little while to learn how to use this and then how to make a proper beanie or whatever you're making and make it perfect and unique for you. Now, what I have done is I have reached out to specific companies local in my area that have brands and basically was like, hey, I make these beanies. I showed them what they look like with leather tags. Now I'll insert a little picture of like the company that I buy my leather tags from. I have bought over 500 from this company and I absolutely love them. They're perfect. They're so professional and they come out amazing. So that's definitely where I would recommend ordering your tags. So I will put in the description box down below, like a little link. And yeah, that's basically what I did is I showed these companies how their logo would look on the beanies that I make, and then I custom, have the tags made, I send them to this Etsy shop, have them print them, send them to me while I actually work on making the beanies, and then I put the order together, I deliver them, and I get paid. So I absolutely love it. Now, if you guys are curious, kind of my pricing. Now, I do have a little bit of a varying price on what I charge for like my bulk beanies. Now, these ones I charge usually between $16 and $18 for the order if they're ordering quite a bit. So my typical order number is 100 beanies per bulk order. The minimum amount that I have done is $16 per beanie. So material cost. Material costs that I have, it depends, but typically it's about $524 in total for the materials. So I'm making a little bit of money there, you know, about an extra $1,000, which is really nice and very helpful. Now, I try to get more than one of these at the end of the year. So I have 2 different companies right now that I'm making beanies for. So actually after this video, I have to start on making another 100 beanies. So I have all the yarn and the tags and everything is ready to go. So I will get that out and then do the process all over again. But that's pretty much how I have managed to make some extra side money using my knitting machine. I do have a video, I'll put it in the little corner here and in the description box down below how to make a beanie. I do 96 rows for my beanies now. In the original video, I was doing, I believe, 120, and that was to have a folded brim, but when I do them for orders here, I do 96 rows, not 120, and that's pretty much the only difference between what I do now and when I had originally filmed that video. But I hope you guys found some use in today's video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring to you to get out there, market yourself, market your talent, find ways to think kind of outside the box to make money in whatever niche that you do. But that's how I managed to do it with my knitting machine, and the machine itself is a little expensive. I'll also put that in the description box down below on where you can purchase one. But I was able to easily pay myself back the cost to buy the machine and still make quite a bit of profit, which is really nice here at the holiday times. But anyways, guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found, some inspiration from this video, and if you want to, go ahead and check out my other videos. I do have some progress videos of making this first order. I will have more to come out. I do crochet and yarn talking, tutorials, things like that. I am going to be expanding my channel as well, so if you guys feel inclined, please subscribe to my channel. But otherwise, thanks for joining me today, and I will see you guys all next time here on Dream9 Designs Yarn Corner of YouTube. Bye, friends!